Hey guys, today we're making fake snow. You only need 2 ingredients. You need baking soda and you need a conditioner, okay? I like the coconut one so the snow smells really nice. So that's why I picked the coconut conditioner one. So let's get started, okay? So the only thing you need is a bowl. You need something to measure the ingredients. And I also put a wooden stick, popsicle stick, just to stir until it gets all blended. Then I use my hands. Okay, so the recipe calls for 2.5 cups of baking soda. So what I do with my students, since you need 5 scoops of the half a cup, we count together, you know, and I do it one at a time so each kid gets, you know, a chance to help with the recipe. So usually I say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm just going to put a little extra in. Okay. So now we need conditioner. Okay. So we just need 1 scoop of this. I love the smell of it. Okay. So, like I said, I just get a popsicle stick, you know, so the kids each take a turn stirring. You know, and what I do in class, I have them like stir 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and then we give, we pass the popsicle stick and the bowl, you know, until it's really mixed. And, you know, the kids love it. They love making stuff in class. I mean, who doesn't? This is fun. Preschool should be fun. And if you're a stay-at-home mom, even better, entertain your kids for hours with this stuff. Because that's what happens. You can keep this stuff in like a bag and use it over and over again. So then you get your hands sticky. Oh, you hear that? And really, it's a nice sensory, you know, type of snow for them. We talk about how snow is cold. You could pack your snow, okay? It's packable. And they make snowmen with it, and it smells great. They love it. You could talk about so many different things with the snow, like, have you ever had a snowball fight, you know? Have you ever made a snowman? It's good, you know, time to get speech in there as well. But this is great. I mean, you could make a little, like, little snowballs with it. You can count them. You could do a lot with it. So try this at home. Okay, remember 2.5 cups of the baking soda, half a cup of the conditioner. Stir until it becomes snow. Okay? Let me know if you do it and comment. Okay? Bye.